Hey guys, it's been a minute on an update. So a lot's happened since the last boat update. Gosh, I guess the best way to I totaled the boat. All right, so the boat was totaled, and let me get somewhere where you can see me. Boat was totaled, and I'm gonna do a little update here, catch you guys up to where we're at now. So here we go. So here is where we're at. We've got everything, basically all the mechanicals, less one transom assembly. There's the K-planes that are just all yanked out of the boat. Whole boat's tore apart. That's the swim platform back there behind the engines. It has yet to be glassed on the top. Let's get you around there so you can see what's going on. This is glassed on the bottom. All this has already been finished out. It's ready for a coat of epoxy on it, barrier coat. So primer, whatever. Both the engines are still good. I think I'm gonna end up having to replace manifolds. I got a buddy that's got some stuff that I'm gonna be checking out. This outdrive busted the CV joint right here. U-joint, whatever you want to call it. This came out of the boat. Where's it at? Let me show you. This transom assembly. This is the port transom assembly. It's got caught underneath of the Y pipe in the boat somehow or another, and both lines have pretty significant scarring. They're not busted yet, but I picked up another set from my buddy Nick Evans. If you ever need anything. A lot of the parts that came to fix this, I'll just give him a pimp out, is Justin Duke. Look him up on Facebook. And Nick Evans. We got putting block off plates on this because we're deleting the Y pipes and putting straight exhaust on. We've got a cylinder that in the accident got bent. That's a shit ton of force it took to bend that. So now we've got to figure out, got to get an end. You notice. Either get an end, or if this sleeve in here, if we can press that out, then we can use the one that's in it. But that's the hydro steering. What else? Catch you up on the boat. There's one of the vents. Can't seem to get anybody to give me a shout back on the vents, but let me show you where we're at. So this whole transom has been completely redone, repainted rather, stripped down. We drilled all the holes for the through-hole exhaust because we're going with without Y pipes and block off plates. I already got the transom assembly on the this is a new one from Nick, not new but new to me, and in real good shape. We did have to change the shift cable in it. It was jamming up, but now, as you can see, that was a brand new one off the other boat and it was still in great shape, so went ahead and reused it. And this is where we're at on the body on this side. And I'm going to show you on the other side what we're doing. Still need to prep all this, get it all sanded down. This is actually gel coat on here. This is not paint. Above the rub rail is paint. Clear coat, base coat, clear coat. I don't know if you can notice, but some of the clear coat is screwing up on this. So that's interesting. Didn't know that. Below the rub rail on these things is all gel coat. Everything above the rub rail is base clear. Same up front. But anyway, this is all going away. Show you what we're doing on the other side. For the old YouTube. You all are gonna like this. There you go. This side's already been wrapped. A couple days, we're gonna get the other side wrapped. And it turned out really, really, really nice. I mean, couldn't have asked for better. So there's your update, and gonna get to work on this transom assembly.